Hello everybody, welcome to Hardware Set Pro. Today I'm gonna show you how to show touches in screen recording on Google Pixel 8. So basically, if you want your touches to be shown in your screen recording, I'll show you how to do it. So open the quick settings panel right here and swipe right. Click on screen record and you'll need to choose a record the screen, and as you can see now you have a show touches on screen option. Just click on it, start the recording, and as you can see now my touches will be shown on the screen recording. Like this. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.